Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here in this channel, you are so and highly welcome. So in today's video, I'm gonna be giving you a new discovery to removing belly fat. Okay, well, come with me and see, because you are going to be loving it. Now when you use it, all of your belly fat is just going to begin to remove, begin to go out. You're going to be stooling or you're going to be peeing. That's what is going to happen to you, either of them or both of them. Okay, so if you want to know what it is, please do continue watching, and don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Leave your comments below. Now let's dive into the video. Now, to get rid of belly fat from the outside, guys, you're going to be making use of VapoRub. Now, where you can get VapoRub, you can actually order it online, guys. It's actually used for it's an ointment used to suppress cough, and it treats joint pain. It's also discovered to burn the fat cells. Okay, so that's when wherever you are aiming to remove fats, you then use this on that part. It's going to diminish all of those fats at that area. So I'm gonna be scooping in the VapoRub, a good amount of that. Okay, and then we're gonna be needing ginger powder. Now this home remedy is a natural source for removing fat. So trying this home remedy with ginger is gonna be awesome. So how you're gonna get your ginger, guys, you're going to buy a fresh ginger, dry it just like this. You can see the color is like the same. You dry it and then you blend it, then you will have ginger powder. Okay, it's gonna be very effective. And then I'm gonna be putting in about 1 tablespoon of dry ginger. You can also use fresh ginger if you don't have dry ginger. Okay, and then we're gonna be making use of lemon. Now lemon is citric in nature and it also contains vitamin C. Now because we need lemon to protect the skin while we apply VapoRub on, so this is going to be very important in this mix. Okay, it's going to serve as a barrier from the skin and the VapoRub hotness, and it's going to work really nice. I have half cut of lemon here, so I'm going to be squeezing that into the treatment. Now I'm not going to be squeezing too much, so let me know how the consistency of this is going to be first before I add. Then let's mix it up with a little bit of Colgate to make it even work faster. The minty flavor in Colgate will make this treatment work faster. Okay, and then the paste. So now I will just have to mix it and mix it really good. And this is actually a good consistency, and it's actually hot right now. Even without applying it yet, it's hot. Alright, so how you're going to apply this, guys, Sorry I can't show you with my tummy right now, but I'm going to be showing you my tummy anyways. So you're gonna use this and then you're just gonna apply it onto your belly. Okay, you have to apply it a little bit much so that it could send down the heat really well into your fat cell. Alright guys, so this is how it is. And now, to make this treatment work really effective, you have to cover it up. Okay, as the heat, as the heat comes out, it has to descend into your fat cells and not like come out this way. So you have to wrap it up with anything like a nylon or clothing bag or anything to cover it up. I usually use this clothing nylon to cover mine because it's actually very like simple to do. So I'll kind of wrap it all up like this. Wrap it this way. And then we wrap it this way. Okay, so you have to wrap it really tight. You can see how I wrap this. Man, it's really tight on my hand and it's actually very hot right now, like so hot. Okay, so after that you can hold it for as long as you want. If you have a waist trainer or girdle, you can grab it with it, just grab your stomach with it and it's just going to help you a whole lot. I mean, this works, it really works, but it depends on your skin type though. Okay, and your consistency, because you have to also continually use this. This is not surgery, okay, so you don't expect it to like work overnight. All right, so but it's going to get down into your fat cells and burn down the fat. It melts the fat. Okay, and then you're going to remove it. Now you can even you can do this and hold it till the following day. Okay, you can sleep with it if you can. Okay, it's going to be awesome. It's going to be awesome, like really well. Alright, so after that guys, then you can get rid of it. Now for this, you can actually store it because it's not going to go bad, and then you continually use it for a few more days, okay, before you make a new one. It's not going to go bad anyways. Even if you keep it for 5 days, it's not going to go bad. Okay, so you can just keep using it and you're going to see results. Okay, the result is going to be very small the very first day, second and third you use it, but when you continually use it, you're going to see a huge result. All right, so that's it guys. It's actually very simple. It's a very simple remedy, and it's something that you can actually find. Okay, so go try it and avoid those food that is actually making you fat. You can give yourself a challenge, like give yourself a challenge, don't eat till around 1 p.m. eat in the afternoon and eat very small thing in the evening, and you're going to see your result. Basically that's it. You don't expect to see results in just one intake of this thing, because it's natural. So that's it guys. Drop your comment below, subscribe and share this video, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.